among locals as domesticated pigs die in large number in Duar Amla. Natives of Dolomara who were stranded in Dipu reach home. Professor Ratan Berman of Assam University is no more. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sapi with the latest news of the day. And now let's take a look in the news in detail. Several people took loans from bank for piggery farms in order to supplement their income. However, now the situation is such that they are not in a position to repay the loans. Let's move to our correspondent for more detail on it.
Due to an unidentified disease that had spread in the region, large numbers of pigs are dying. Borgao, Ahomboroi and Chupikilok villages are the worst affected villages by this disease. According to villagers, more than 1,000 pigs have died in the last 15 days. People have said that they have taken piggery loans from a bank. They are now in trouble as they are left with no way to repay the loans. As such, they have demanded the intervention of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in this regard.
awal saya berjalan sampai tapi sampai laswa lun ke titu mah laswa longhong ya ada jauh ini masuk ke sini doke asuk sini doke asuma ya nama nambang ke titu tidak
dak ini malong ke teniri ta ave doktor doa darule hang ramji pusitame lasi ake so ta chini ne ko sonto honat tentang bang lo ne lasi ka pusit berat ini kan penangan John Suri si ta apar ko labang so aluma pigiti
Bidya Singh Rongpi from Borgao, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving ahead, several persons of Dolomara area, including students who were stranded in Dipu due to the nationwide lockdown, has reached home at 2 p.m. More from our Dolomara correspondent.
The stranded persons numbering 70, out of which 3 persons had come from Guwahati, while rest from Difu were screened by medical staff members as they boarded off the buses. In addition to this, their travel history has also been asked and recorded as preventive measures by the health workers, who also asked them to put themselves at home quarantine. Meanwhile, VDC Chairman Sarkoi Rongpar and Dolomara Police Station 2nd OC Rajib Ahmad has been putting all effort to arrange transportation for the non-local persons who had reached Dolomara to visit their quarantine family members. Arjison Rongpar for Karbi Anglong Live.
In what has come as a big shock for local people of the district, Professor Ratan Berman, former head of Department of Commerce at Assam University Difu campus, passed away due to sudden medical complication this morning. His untimely demise has shocked the entire AUDC fraternity.
Originally from Chabua Rongsongi in Dibrugarh, Dr. Ratan Berman, who joined Assam University Difu campus in 2008 as a reader, has always been a very active teacher and administrator. Subsequently, he was promoted to associate professor and he also held the responsibility of administration in charge in crucial phase of the campus. Before joining Assam University, he was working in Difu Golf College since September 1987. The Assam University Difu campus community, including his students, colleagues and friends, have expressed their condolences and stated that his untimely demise is a great loss for the people of the district.
In yet another news, along with other parts of the country, distributions of free rations to lockdown-affected families continued in the Hill District of Karbi Anglong today. Here is a short report.
Under the initiative of Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Mukul Kumar Saikya, ration including rice, dal and other essential items were distributed to the working journalists of Difu town. More than 30 journalists were provided with food items by the district administration. The distribution event was held at Difu Club. The Deputy Commissioner said that this was also a small way to thank the media fraternity for their selfless and continued contribution towards the society, district and the nation as a whole in spreading awareness on the COVID-19.
ক্ষেত্ৰত কিছুমান চুকে কোণে যিবিলাক অঞ্চল আছে য'ত নেকি আমি প্ৰশাসনে গৈ পোৱা নাই, কিন্তু এই ক্ষেত্ৰত এই বিষয়ে আপোনালোকে আমাক অৱগত কৰিবলৈ সহায় কৰিছে আৰু সেই অঞ্চলবিলাকত আমাৰ যিবিলাক ভাই ভনী আছে, আমাৰ যিবিলাক অন্যান্য দুখীয়া শ্ৰেণীৰ লোক আছে, তেখেতসকলক হাত আগবঢ়াবলৈ আমি যথেষ্টখিনি চেষ্টা কৰোঁ আৰু সেইকাৰণে আই এম ভেৰি মাছ থেংকফুল টু আৱাৰ মিডিয়া ফ্ৰেণ্ড।
In Diphu, a government employee and Charkle Langso village resident, Bidya Singh Tiso also provided food items to families of his village. Tiso said that this step was taken as per government's direction to its employee to help to at least 5 families of their respective neighborhood. He also informed that the food items were provided to 18 families of his village. It may be mentioned that around 120 families were provided free rice and dal in Klarbong, Hamson Rongpi village on Sunday. Meanwhile, Central Development Committee for Amri constituency in West Karbi Anglong also distributed soaps and salt to families in Bersinki, Langlongku, Amkachi, Natral, Tin Alum, Mobai and Singkum. The team was led by CDC President Dilip Singh Hanse, Secretary Dilip Timung, Bikhen Rongpi and SGB Divan Teron. News Desk and P. Ratani for Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.